Living in a small space can feel overwhelming. Every square inch counts. You might feel cramped and cluttered, but don't worry, there's hope. I've seen countless homes that seemed too tiny at first, but with some creativity, they became cozy havens. It's all about how you use the space you have. You don't need a mansion to live well. Small spaces have their perks too. They're easier to clean and maintain. They force us to be mindful about our possessions, and they can be incredibly charming when done right. The key is to see your small space as a canvas. It's not about what you lack, but what you can create. With the right approach, even the tiniest apartment can feel spacious and inviting. Let's explore how to make that happen. Creativity is your best friend in a small space. Think outside the box. Look at every nook and cranny as an opportunity. You'd be surprised how much potential your home has. Start by looking up. Vertical space is often overlooked. Install shelves high on the walls. Use the tops of cabinets for storage. Hang items from the ceiling. The sky's the limit. Color can make a big difference too. Light colors make rooms feel bigger. Use mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Don't be afraid of patterns, but use them wisely. Lighting is crucial in small spaces. Avoid bulky floor lamps. Instead, use wall sconces or pendant lights. Good lighting can make a room feel larger and more inviting. It's like magic. Before you can organize, you need to declutter. It's the foundation of a well-designed small space. Go through your belongings. Be honest about what you really need and use. Ask yourself, have I used this in the past year? If not, it might be time to let it go. Donate items in good condition. Recycle what you can. It's okay to keep sentimental items, but be selective. Decluttering isn't just about stuff. It's about freeing up mental space too. Less clutter means less stress. You'll feel lighter and more in control of your environment. Make decluttering a regular habit. Set aside time each month to reassess your belongings. It's easier to maintain a clutter-free space than to start from scratch each time. Your future self will thank you. Section 4. Innovative storage solutions. Storage is key in small spaces. But forget boring plastic bins. There are so many creative options now. Look for furniture with built-in storage. Ottoman beds, hollow coffee tables, and bench seating with storage are all great choices. Don't forget about dead space. The area under your stairs, the back of doors, and the space above doorways are all potential storage spots. Use over-the-door organizers, floating shelves, and hanging baskets to maximize these areas. In the kitchen, think vertical. Use a magnetic strip for knives. Hang pots and pans from a ceiling rack. Install a pegboard for utensils. Every inch counts in a small kitchen. In the bathroom, use tension rods to create extra shelving in the shower. Install a medicine cabinet for added storage. Use the space above the toilet for shelves or a cabinet. Small bathrooms can be organized too. Section 5. Multifunctional furniture, double-duty designs. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer in small spaces. Look for pieces that serve more than one purpose. A sofa bed is perfect for studio apartments. It's seating by day and a bed by night. Expandable dining tables are great for entertaining. They can be small for everyday use and expand when you have guests. Look for tables with built-in leaves for easy storage. Murphy beds are making a comeback. They fold up into the wall when not in use. This frees up floor space during the day. Some even come with built-in desks or shelving units. Nesting tables are another smart choice. They can be spread out when needed and tucked away when not in use. The same goes for stackable chairs. Think about how each piece of furniture can work harder for you. Section 6. Real-life transformations. Small spaces, big impact. I once worked with a couple living in a 500-square-foot apartment. They felt cramped and overwhelmed. We started by decluttering. They let go of items they didn't need or love. It was hard at first, but they felt lighter afterward. Next, we got creative with storage. We installed floor-to-ceiling shelves in their living room. We added underbed storage containers in the bedroom. In the kitchen, we used a rolling cart for extra counter space and storage. We chose multifunctional furniture too. A dining table that doubled as a desk, a coffee table with hidden storage, a sofa bed for guests. Every piece had to earn its place in the space. The result? A home that felt twice as big. The couple was amazed at how much more functional their space became. They could entertain friends comfortably. They had room for their hobbies. Most importantly, they felt happy and at peace in their home.